Hello, I'm Dr. Jack Pink. I'm from the Department of Archaeology at the University of Southampton. I'm here with my colleague, Dr. Felix Pedrotti. We're doing a project with the Dundee Heritage Trust to record the RRS discovery and also to laser scan some of the artifacts and other things that are in the museum's collection here. So our project's being funded by the University of Southampton's Faculty for the Environment and Life Sciences. They are connected to the National Oceanography Centre, which is the organisation that currently operates Discovery Number 4, which is the great-granddaughter of this ship that we're on today, which is a really interesting connection for us. So Discovery, the original Discovery, RRS that we're on now, really started something with British polar science and scientific research, and the collection that it produced sparked a whole ongoing interest in the natural world, and particularly in Antarctic studies. So what we're trying to do is use the record we make today and over the week or so that we're here to link together the collections that are in the National Oceanography Centre, the Dundee Heritage Trust here, and also the Scott Polar Research Institute in Cambridge, all of whom are partnering on our project and supporting in one way or another, whether that's through time, resources, people, or just access to their materials. So the scans are going to be used for a whole range of things. So we're going to provide copies to the museum so that they can use them for any of the conservation work they want to get on with the ships. So there's lots of applications for ship engineering or conservation work to be able to measure stuff, know exactly how big stuff is, know where things are, because it is super precise, so we can get down to sort of millimetric accuracy of stuff. It'll also allow us to create a whole range of different engagement options, so we can do now virtual reality systems with it. We can use it to create new plans and other sorts of like cool looking images. Also there's a functional, practical conservation aspect, but also quite a fun engagement thing we can do with that. And we're hoping, if all of our partners are keen, that we can start putting together some online options to allow people to play around with it as well. So we'll see. Yeah, so the kit we have today lets us record the whole ship in about 4 or 5 days. And we get really accurate recordings of that, which is brilliant. If we were to do this with the kit we had even 10 years ago, we're talking weeks of sort of measuring and photographing things. It would be more than just two of us to do that sort of work there. And that's why it didn't really happen very much. Big ships like this, really complex shapes and difficult to record in that manner. So there's only a few people who had the skills and the expertise to do it. And now these the scanners that we're using let us do a lot more of that a lot faster. Doing the artifacts in the way we can do them is really, really new. Like actually there isn't really a way to replicate what we can do. But otherwise do come and see the ship because it is incredible.